Hey there, digital marketing warriors. Are you struggling to get your website to rank on the first page of Google? Or maybe you're ready to up your SEO game? Well, you're in luck. We just rolled out our comprehensive, easy to use SEO cheat sheet. It's your roadmap to everything, including content optimization, keyword strategies, backlink strategies, and even Google Analytics. This isn't your average checklist, it's an action plan. We've packed in tips, best practices, and invaluable resources that can transform your approach to SEO. And best part, it's totally free and accessible on our website right now. No downloads, no signups required. Bookmark the page and you'll always have access to it. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to our website right now. Dive into the SEO cheat sheet. It could be the game changer your website has been waiting for. Until next time, keep optimizing.